this one, and then you switch. And then you switch. So the one thing I notice for myself is I have preferences for when I switch on which side. So it's good to practice doing it where, okay, so I'm switching right now on my left side, not my right side. And then this is me switching every time I get to the left side. You want to do one full cycle, right? So if the place where you're switching is on this side, okay, so I'm going to bring my right arm up and my left arm down and then do one cycle of the flower. Then I'm going to bring my right arm down and my left arm up and do one cycle of the flower. Then my right arm up and left arm down, and then switch right down, left up, and then every time I get there, switch, in theory, switch the hand that's doing inspin versus anti-spin. Let's try the other side and just step away from that one for a second. So same direction, but instead of switching on what is your right, which is my left, we're going to switch on your left, which is my right, and then let's bring the front hand down and then the front hand up. So your crossing hand, whichever one is crossing for you. Down and then up. Yeah, the reversals are the hard part. Like once you're in the grind of one, it, staying in it is easier than switching to the other.